Hi friends, welcome back to Miss Jessica's Preschool, and this week is all about reindeer. All right, so let me show you what we're going to do. Here's our schedule. First, whoops, what happened to my schedule? First, we're going to sing good morning to everyone and we're going to wave. And then Miss Jessica has a quick story about reindeer to tell you. Then we're going to move our body like reindeers. And then Miss Jessica's going to show you a fun thing that you can try at your house. And then we'll sing the goodbye song. Okay, so let's start here and we're going to sing good morning to everyone. So get your hands ready. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning to you. Good morning, everyone. All right, we're all done with that, so I'm going to take it down. And now my quick story about reindeer goes like this. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little reindeer, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little reindeer, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little reindeer, 10 reindeer to pull Santa's sleigh. Oh boy. All right, now the story is done, so now we're gonna act like reindeer. Okay, friends? Now, one of Santa's reindeer has a red nose, just like this guy, and he guides the sleigh with his red nose, and his name is Rudolph. So first, we're going to pretend to be Rudolph, and we're going to run like Rudolph. Can you pretend to run? Run, 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 run. Good job. All right, let's do the next one. Another one of Santa's reindeer is called Prancer with a P. P, P, P. So we're going to prance like Prancer. Now a prance is kind of like a dance. So can you kind of go like this? Prance, prance, prance. All right, let's be another reindeer. Another reindeer for Santa is Blitzen. Blitzen. So we're going to bound like Blitzen. And a bound is kind of like a jump. So can you kind of jump and leap, bound like Blitzen? Good job, everybody. Now the next one is a reindeer named Cupid, and we're going to quiver like Cupid. Now quiver means to kind of shake. So can you shake, 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 quiver like Cupid? Good job, everybody. Nice job being reindeer today. So I'm going to take that down. And now let me show you something that you could try at your house that's really fun. And we're going to make a reindeer, but we're going to use Play-Doh. So if you have some Play-Doh at your house, and especially if you have kind of brownish Play-Doh like mine, you can take it in your hands and roll it like this, friends. I'm going to make a ball. This is how you do it. You put it between your hands and you kind of roll like this. And now I have a nice ball, and maybe you have some of these at your house. These are googly eyes. I'm going to push one googly eye in and the other googly eye in. Oh boy, it's looking good. And then maybe you have one of these at your house. This is just a small little pom-pom for like crafting. And of course I got what color is this? Is it black? No. Is it a green pom-pom? No. Is it red? Yeah, I found a red pom-pom and I'm going to put it right here. Push it in a little bit. Oh boy, it's starting to turn into a reindeer, but I have to add one more thing. Now, friends, you might have these at home too. This is called a pipe cleaner. If you don't have a pipe cleaner, you could go outside and find 2 little sticks, and you're going to push them in right here at the top. And look, I made a reindeer with my Play-Doh. All right, so that's something fun you can try to do at your house to make a reindeer. So I'm going to take that down, friends. And so now it's time for the goodbye song. All right, let's use our hands and do the actions to go with the goodbye song. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. In an hour, sunflower. Maybe 2, kangaroo. Gotta go, buffalo. Adios, hippo. Chow, chow, brown cow. See you soon, baboon. Adieu, cockatoo. Better swish, jellyfish, chop, chop, lollipop. Gotta run, skeleton. Bye bye, butterfly. Better shake, rattlesnake. Our day now ends, so goodbye, good friends. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.